How the fuck is it that this dude can snore going in and out?
You gotta put it close to his face and you can hear
Oh, trust me, they can hear it from here.
it.
He's had one too many drinks.